Hi, I'm Sam Smyth, Smyth Imports. Here's what not to do on a spark plug for any car. This is coming out of an MG. This has been super over tightened. If you look, the cylinder head's all black, so it's new or it's been rebuilt. And someone has taken the time to put, looks like German or Japanese plugs in a British car anyway. I don't know if you can hear all that. We're having to spray it and be extremely careful to try and get it out. The other one we barely got out. So this is what not to do. Don't over tighten it. There you go. See what they did there? What kind of plug is that? An NGK? It looks like to me. Yep, NGK. Now you don't want to do that on a British car. So now some of the new Jags took an NGK, but that's because Champion was too much, cost too much as a spark plug. So on some of those certain Jaguars for a few years they had NGK, but I switched them all back to Champion because these all used to have Champion. We're going to go back with anti-seize on a new spark plug or any type of grease. Just I wouldn't really use like a wheel bearing grease. I'd use like maybe a white lithium or something anti-seize designed for threads to protect and that sort of thing. So anyway, with that being said, you don't want to over tighten your spark plugs. Sometimes if that wasn't a cast iron head and it was aluminum, we'd have been taking all the threads out. And that was so tight it almost would take the threads out. So that being said, we're going to put this video up so you can hear what it's like with a tight spark plug. And you want to continuously lubricate it and turn it slowly as you bring it out. All the best. Cheers to 79 MGB. Sam Smyth Imported Car Service here in Cincinnati, Ohio. 513-793-0434. You can see the plugs being applied now with the proper lubricants, and they're all going in by hand. So thank God we were able to save a gentleman's new cylinder head that was installed by somebody. So all the best. You can find us at www.smythimports.com or 513-793-0434, or check all our other YouTubes out as well. Thank you.